Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to lodge late tax return with ATO. If you missed the deadline, don't panic. You can still submit your return through your MyGov account linked to the Australian Taxation Office. First, log in and open the tax return section. Then select the correct financial year you need to lodge. Enter all your income, deductions, and details just like a normal return, making sure everything is accurate. Even if it's late, it's important to lodge as soon as possible to reduce potential penalties. If you have a valid reason for the delay, the ATO may consider it when reviewing fines. You can also use a registered tax agent who may help manage late lodgements and communicate with the ATO on your behalf. After submitting, monitor your MyGov inbox for updates or requests. Acting quickly and providing correct information helps resolve late tax returns with fewer issues or delays. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.